sun's risen on day 2 of the monkey race. Old man Adam was had a bit of back issue last night, but I was alright. I wouldn't say it was a solid sleep, but it was pretty good. Adam thought he had a snake. Had a lot of owls, a few dogs. Didn't see any jaguars. Fingers crossed that we don't. Linda's just screaming like a little girl. Why? Why are you screaming like a little girl?
I don't know what's that there.
Nah, it's not a reason to scream like a little girl. Yesterday was super easy drive, but it continues to be that way. About 20 minutes, half an hour after I said about the roads, the road just ended. It was only like 10-15 minutes, wasn't it? But it was, I think that's just takes what's more to come. We're back on the fancy tarmac now. It wasn't great roads for that long, but it's been beautiful coming up here. Can you hear me? The roads have been like this for like the last hour. Adam has nearly come off 3 times, and he has successfully come off once. Unfortunately, we weren't filming, and I was ahead, so I didn't see it. Hopefully next time he comes off, we'll get it, as is tradition. We just came all the way and beyond. Now above the clouds. Apologies for this sound, I don't know what's going on today, but we'll try and fix that tonight. We've been driving since 7:15. It's now 9:22. Still haven't run out of petrol. I think the place where we got to the top of this mountain might looks like it might have some petrol, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we're just stopping for breakfast. But I'm guessing, looking at Adam wandering around, that there's no one in there. No one in there? This guy's got some beautiful eyes. Hola. Oh, come on. It's now 11:15. Keep on climbing, and now it pretty much looks like we're in Scotland, in the Highlands, rather than in Peru. Looking for truffles. Digging holes and looking for truffles. Hey, Mama Pig. So I just had my first fall. Obviously it wasn't on camera, so it doesn't count, but it definitely happened. I can feel that it happened. I came around this corner here, and there were 2 of those, you just see one of them driving off, 2 of those Toyota trucks filling both sides of the road. So I slammed on both my brakes. Maybe I shouldn't have, but it was either that or hit them. Maybe I should just stand on the one. But I stand on both, bit of panic. Bike went over. And yeah, I quite hurt my hand and quite hurt my knee, but there's no blood and I'm fine. Thank fuck I was wearing a helmet. And this guy has no respect. Yeah, that wasn't enjoyable. Feeling a little bit shaken up. But I'm just gonna give myself a few minutes and then have some water and carry on. Mates gave us some bread. They're playing the Fiesta in town tonight, so hopefully we're going to make that. And they also gave us some apples, but they might not be apples, so it could be an onion. Off there's an onion. Adam's going to find out. What is it?
Oh, it's pomegranate.
Okay. All right. Well, does that not go in some sort of cocktail? I'm sure that goes in a cocktail. If you'd have asked me about 6-7 hours ago for a morale count, I would have, I'd have probably said like a 9.5. You know, it's not as good as the first day because obviously the first day is like banger and whatever. So I was going to say 9.5, but now I give it a 7 at best. A few contributing factors. 6 o'clock, we've literally just getting petrol, and the last time we filled up was 9 o'clock this morning. Which is kind of a miracle in itself, so that's kind of a good thing. Also, whenever you see a place on a mountain and you think, oh that's good, we'll head towards there, the roads definitely match up. You just go around that corner, no they don't. And then you just keep on going, We haven't found anywhere to sleep yet, and it's pretty much almost totally dark, but hopefully in the next 20 minutes we might find time to sleep. What would your morale count be? 7 as well. That's an even 7. And also, I just wanted to moan about as well my arse. Like literally, my arse feels like I've just spent like 6 months in Brighton prison or something. It's fucking horrendous. And also, my right hand now looks like this, which jokes to be jokes to be made, but I'd rather it just look like it used to look. Subscribe. My wing mirror has rattled loose from all the bumping and grinding on the road. This guy now just spins around as we do.